guys, it's Ivy, and today I'm coming on here with a false natural video. So this right here that's on my head, this is actually a kinky straight unit. I got this hair from Nadula hair, and this is one of the units that features the natural curly baby hairs. Today I wanted to do this look and give you guys something very natural looking. I wanted a nice natural blowout look. I didn't want to make it silky straight because I did want you guys to still see that texture of the hair. This is how the hair looks after I've blew it out just a little bit. It just looks really natural, you guys, and the curly baby hairs definitely set it off. This unit is gorgeous, and if you do want to wear it bone straight, this hair will definitely get silky straight. I can tell when I was blowing it out. That's why I used the methods I used, because I didn't want it to be super silky straight. But I definitely been wanting a wig that I could just throw on that just looks like blown out hair. Like, this is giving blown out hair. Look at that beautiful texture. If you're a person that doesn't like, you know, super silky straight hair, you want something more kinky, more natural looking, you guys, this unit is for you. It was super easy to install. I didn't have to bleach my knots. I did pluck it a little bit, but that's it. The curly baby hairs are so cute, you guys. And this will look cute if you like wear it back or like with a headband or whatever. It's just gorgeous. But I did want to show you guys, you know, just how it looks in its naturally kinky blown out state. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, make sure you guys keep on watching. Oh, and before we get into the video, you guys, I did not know my microphone was off the whole first half of the video, so I am going to do like a quick little voiceover. I just wanted to remind you guys and let you know, and make sure you click the bell icon down there so you're notified every time I post a video. Okay, let's get to install in style. Okay, you guys, so this is the bag that your wig will come in, okay? And I like these little baggies because you can save them for later and restore your wigs. Inside is going to be your wig, and they also sent some goodies. I got a wig cap, and I also got a elastic band. We're going to need that for later, okay? So this is how the wig looks. It is a kinky straight unit with the curly baby hairs, and I've never tried one of these units, so I was really excited to put this on. This is how it looks on the inside. It comes with combs and an elastic band. I like to cut those out because I do have braids and I'm using my wig grip. So I don't actually need the combs or the additional elastic band in there. And this is how it looks when I take everything out. And I just use the elastic bands that's built into the unit just to tighten up my wig a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead and put it on, and it fit perfectly. And this is how it looks. It did come pre-bleached. I was just checking to see if, you know, if I needed to go back in and re-bleach it. But it looks pretty good. You really don't have to go back in and re-bleach it, but you can if you want to. And this is how the curly baby hairs look. Now I am gonna go in and just pluck it, you guys, just a little bit. I just took a little bit of the hair out, not too much, because I do want you guys to see how it's styled without moving too much of that hair. So now I'm just going to go in and cut the lace. And I like to cut the lace in a, you know, cut it. You don't want it to be straight. You just want to cut it kind of jagged and go along the natural shape of your natural hairline, okay? And take your time cutting. I did go back in and cut some and, you know, just perfect your cut. You know, just take your time. Don't cut it too fast or cut it in a straight across line, because you guys, that makes your wigs look so fake. Like when you go to tack it down, it's gonna look crazy. So make sure you cut it in a jagged line. And I like these wigs because they don't go all the way down to my ear, as you guys saw. It just stops right there, and that's perfect for me because I have really long edges and sideburns, and I never glue my wigs right there anyway. So that was perfect. So I'm just going to continue to cut it, and I'll be back for the next step. So once I was done cutting it, I did see that I need to take out a little bit more hair. So I'm just going in and removing hair around the perimeter of the wig, as you guys see me doing. I honestly didn't take out that much hair, but because I have this super small forehead and low hairline, I definitely need to make sure my wigs are plucked, good, okay? Because I'll be looking crazy. I'll have helmet head, all right? So make sure you pluck it really well if you have a low hairline like mine. Girls with bigger foreheads, you can, kind of get away with not plucking it too much. So I'm done plucking it. Everything looks really good. It looks really nice and natural. You can honestly wear this unit glueless, but I'm going to use my EBN lace spray, and I'm just going to tack it down with this. And I just flip the lace back and spray a thin layer, all right? And then you just let the lace lay right back on top of that spray, and then you're going to take your blow dryer and just melt everything in. It's going to dry everything down. I use my blow dryer on medium heat, okay? It takes about 2 minutes to tack down the lace. That's why I really love this EBN lace spray. I really don't use glue that much anymore because this works perfectly and it lasts days, you guys. And it's no damage to my edges, and that's what I really like. So I'm just going to continue to tack it down all around the perimeter using that same method. I'm just going to spray it, lay down my lace, and then I'm going to take my blow dryer just to dry everything in place. So I am done tacking it down, and I'm just rubbing it just to make sure everything is nice and flat and seamless. And look at the baby hairs, you guys. They look so cute. I am going to tame them just a little bit later on in the video, but if you want to leave them fuzzy, you can definitely leave them like that. I am going to go ahead and do a middle part for this look. You guys know I'm middle part queen. Like I can't get over having a bust down, okay? It fits my face. I'm sorry, you guys. I just love middle parts. And now I'm going to take my blow dryer and just press it out a little bit just to keep my part in place. I am going to go back in later in the video and use a hot comb just to make everything even more flat. But it looks so cute, you guys. Like, I love the curly edges. Now I want curly edges on all my units. We are gonna go ahead and start blowing out the hair, and you just want to section off parts of the hair because this is a kinky unit and you can't get every piece of hair without sectioning it off. And I'm just using my roller brush, and I'm using my blow dryer and the little nozzle that comes on it, and I'm just literally blowing it out as you guys see me doing. Now, I'm not the best blowout person, but I did my best, okay? This hair was so long and so full, like it was a lot, okay? I should have actually did this step with the wig off of my head so I can really see all around the unit. It probably would have been easier, but for video purposes, I did do it on my head, okay? And you guys, the hair silks out really easy. If I was to use a flat iron, this hair would be silky straight. Like the hair gets straight so quick, and I was trying my best not to, get it super silked out because I do want a blowout look. So this is one side done, and this is the other side. So you can definitely see the difference right there just from blowing it out. I am going to finish blowing out this side right here, and when I come back, I'm going to show you guys the results, okay? So these were the results when I was done blowing it out, and I thought it looked so cute. Now you can absolutely stop here if you want to, but I wanted things a little bit more silky, just a little bit. So I am gonna go in with my wax stick just in the top of the wig, and I'm gonna use my hot comb just to make it lay a little bit flatter because it did look just a little bit bulky. Okay, you guys, y'all could have told me my microphone was off. It's been off the whole video, but that's okay. We're still gonna get our look done. What I'm gonna do now is go in with our wax stick. Now I'm gonna take my Hot Tools hot brush and just go through and kind of silken the hair out a little bit. I don't want it super straight. Okay, see, oh my God, I love this brush. All right, y'all, get y'all one. Get y'all one, because I love it. When you don't want to do, you know, necessarily a flat iron look. If you want a look that just looks a little bit more natural, this is it. Oh my God. Y'all, I love it. Oh my God. This brush literally silkens out the hair without making it bone straight. Can you guys see that texture? I love that. Okay, you guys, so I'm done silking it out. I love that it still has that like natural look to it, that natural kinkiness to it, but it is blown out. And this is the texture. The texture is so good, you guys. I love it. Love this texture. So now we're gonna figure out what to do with these baby hairs. I don't know how to style them. I'm just gonna spray some water on my little edge brush. So I'm just gonna play with them. I really like how it looks. So we're gonna finish up and just put a little bit of powder in the lace. Okay, you guys, so I am done blowing it out. And you guys, it is so soft. It's so pretty. This hair is perfect. Like if you want that false natural look. I just love the baby hairs. And I love that the hair still has some texture to it. So this is the length of the hair on me. It stops like right here. I believe this is like 26 to 28 inches. I'm not too sure. All the details for the wig will be in the description bar below. It's such a different look for me. I didn't think I was particularly gonna like it. I love the natural baby hairs around the perimeter. It just gives it like this really natural look, and it makes the wig really easy to install. So if you're like a beginner or whatever, I would definitely suggest this wig to you because it was super easy. It came pre-bleached and everything, okay? So yeah, you guys, thanks so much for watching another one of my hair videos. Please don't forget to thumb this up, comment below, and subscribe. Make sure you click that bell, wherever it is. Make sure you guys click the bell icon so you're notified every time I post a video, okay? Thanks so much for watching another one of my videos again, you guys, and I will see you in the next video.